Hey guys, welcome back to Limbo Sfx. In this horror makeup tutorial, you will need the following: liquid latex, baking flour, Sfx makeup paints, skin tones, wire and wire cutters, a bowl, Pros-Aide, Sfx brushes and scalpels, and popsicle stick. Starting off this horror makeup tutorial, I have my face cast and I add clay to the cast covering the eyes and nose. Make sure to add air holes because the last time I checked, being able to breathe is kind of important. I blend the edges of the clay into the face cast. I'm using an air dried clay on the cast. To find everything I'm using in this horror makeup tutorial, check the description down below for the list. After that, let's turn our attention to the wire. Take your wire cutters and wire and bend and cut the wire into small pieces. While I cut the wire, let me know in the comments down below what other horror makeup tutorial you would like to see on Limbo Sfx. Once you're done with that, it's time to make some latex paste. Pour liquid latex into a bowl and then gradually add the baking flour until you get a fine paste. It can take a good minute to get the paste texture, so be patient while you mix. Now add the latex paste to the cast. Cover the entire area in the paste. Be careful not to get it on your clothes or it will ruin them. Use some liquid latex to smooth the paste out. I'm lightly rubbing the liquid latex over the latex paste with my finger. Try your best to get out all the bumps and creases. After that, use the scalpel and add the deep wounds that appear on the nightmare. While that's happening, don't forget to subscribe to Limbo Sfx for another horror makeup tutorial just like this one. After you subscribed and finished adding all the deep wounds to your nightmare, it's time to add the chopped up pieces of wire to your mask. Put the pieces where you see fit. Now, let the Horror Sfx makeup dry. Once your mask is dry, add the skin tone of your choice. Lightly dab the skin tone on the nightmare mask. After that is finished, add red Sfx makeup to the deep wound areas. I'm using a small brush that can fit comfortably inside the deep wounds of the nightmare mask. For this horror makeup tutorial, you may need to take out the wires to paint into the deep wounds, but I did not have much trouble, so I didn't take anything out. After that, I went in with a darker red Sfx makeup to add depth to the nightmare. I'm going to add some more details to the nightmare mask with some red and dark red Sfx makeup. Add the details you see fit. After you have the nightmare the way you like it, the horror makeup tutorial part is complete. Way to go. Unfortunately, I forgot to actually press record while putting on the mask, but I just used Pros-Aide to attach the nightmare mask to my face, and if you want, add some scab blood to the deep wounds for a more realistic look. But here is the final look for the Nightmare Horror Makeup Tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below what horror makeup tutorials you guys would like to see in the future. I'll see you later.